So today I'm going to be teaching you a nice piece, and it looks like this. And ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin, and today I am going to be teaching you a new dance tutorial called Melody. Yeah. And ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We've reached 15,000 subscribers, and thanks to you guys. Anyways, without wasting your time, let's get into the video. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is my right because this is your right, and this is my left because this is your left. This video is mirrored. Yeah. So the first segment of the routine, like it's just a freestyle. You're gonna freestyle it, you're gonna sing the song if you know the lyrics. If you don't know the lyrics, you're just gonna flex around, so oh na 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 na. And then this is the second section of the routine. So you're gonna jump to your right. So you're gonna go 1, and then you're gonna put your hands there. So that's 2. So you go 1 and then you go 2. You get it? So one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1 and then you go 2. In 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1 and you go 2. Right? And then our third move is going to be your right hand, your right leg is going to go forward, and then your left leg there, and then it's gonna follow each other. So you're just gonna like do like a walk. Yeah. So but this walk you have to go down a little bit, and then when you walk, it's like you use your knee and then you put it back, and then you use your left knee, you put it back, you use your left knee, so it becomes more like a groove. Yeah. So this is how you do it. You're gonna go ka ta 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 ta. So knees in and out, knees in and out. So you have to be down for it to make sense. Yeah. Should we try it one more time? In 5, 6, 7, 8. You go out, hands 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your hands are gonna go. If your left leg is going forward, which means your right hand is going forward, so that there is an exchange. So this is how you walk, and this is how you're gonna do it. Yeah. We try that one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go pa, you go pa, you go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4. Perfect. Right. We're gonna try the first segment and the second segment together. So in 5, 6, 7, go. Na 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 da da ta ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it? Should we continue? Let's continue to the third segment. So the third segment, you are gonna use your right leg. Your right leg is gonna go to your right. Yeah. And then the movement is almost like a crouch movement again. So you're gonna tap. Yeah. So when you tap, it kind of shakes. So this is if you watch my tutorials, then you probably know how to do these moves. Yeah. So you ta 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 ta. This is the movement. Yeah. When you're crouched. So it's a tap. That's what you're doing. So this movement is when you're still, but we're not going to do it when you're still. We need to move, when we need to move right and left, right and left. So we're going to try and do that. Yeah. In 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4. You're going to move again to the left. Yeah. We try that one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4. And then we're gonna go with the hands. Now I'm sure you've got the leg movement, and then the hands are gonna cross. Yeah. You're gonna cross when you do it. So in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go cross, 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 cross, you go cross, you go cross, you go cross, you go cross. Perfect. Let's try and do that first segment, second segment, and the third segment. I want to try and do it slowly on 0.5, and then we're gonna try and do it a bit faster on 0.65. Yeah, in 5, 6, 7, 8. Na 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 na. Da da. You go 1, 2. You go 3. You go 4. You go 1. You go 2. You go 3. You go 4. You go 1. You go 2. You go 3. You go 4. Perfect. Let's try it on 0.75 in 5, 6, 7. Go like na 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 da da. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 1. You go 2. You go 3. You go 4. All right, guys, we're gonna move on to our fourth segment. Yeah, so our fourth segment is a bit easy. If you watch my tutorials, you probably know again this move. Yeah, so you're gonna use your right leg is gonna go to the left, and then your left leg is gonna go to the right. So you're gonna be bumping. So make sure it's still the tip. Remember this move? It's on your tip, on your toes. Yeah. So you're gonna do the same move, but you're gonna tap, and then you go out. You come center. You go out on your left. You come back. You do on your left, on your right. You come back in the center. You go left. Yeah. Let's try it together. So you do a prep, and then tap out to the right. You come back to the center. You go to the left. You come back. You go right. You come back to the center. You go left. Yeah. Let's try it in 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ta 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 ta. You go ta 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 ta. Did you get it? So we're gonna try that 4 times. Yeah, and then we're gonna try and start from section 3. Let's go in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1. You go 2. You go 3. You go 4. You go 1. You go 2. You go 3. You go 4. You go 1. You go 2. You go 3. You go 4. Did you get it? Try one more time in from section 3 in 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, we go 2, we go 3, we go 4. We go 1, we go 2, we go 3, we go 4. We go 1, 2, we go 3, we go 4. Perfect. Nice. We want to try and continue to segment 5. Yeah. So our segment 5 is you're going to use your left, and then you're going to use your right hand. So your left, you're gonna go 1, you will come back, and then use your left. Yeah. So you're gonna go 1 with your right, and then come back. So you swing it there, you come here. So you swing it there, you come here. You swing it there, you come here with your leg. You swing it there, and then come here. Try it with the right, and then we try it with the right again. We come here. Did you get it? Let's try it together in 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, we will come. We go 1, and we will come. Yeah. Wanna try from here in 5, 6, 7 together in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 1. Perfect. And then our almost last move. Yeah, before we do our last move. So you're gonna go 1, and then come back, and then go 1, and then come back, and then we're using your right leg. You're gonna jump on your left, and then use your right to turn, and then there you go. You get it? We'll try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, and then you go 2. You go 3. You go 4. You jump left, and then go right, and then you turn. You get it? Try that one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4. You jump on your left, you turn on your right, and then you face your camera. So our almost last move, you're gonna shout in the air, yeah, and then you're gonna cross your hands, and then you're gonna do a jump back. So you're gonna go da. Did you get it? 5, 6, 7, 8. Da 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 da. You're gonna jump on your right, and then you're gonna jump on your right, and then your left, and then body wave, body wave, body wave, and then snap with your head right there, and then you come back. Should we try together in 5, 6, 7, 8? Ga, ga, cha. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ga, ga, cha. And then you do whatever. Yeah? You do whatever. Let's try from the shout. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shout. Aladi, oh, aladi, aladi, aladi. You do whatever. Yeah? Let's try from the top slowly from level 1. Yeah? In 5, 6, 7. Oh, na 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 Aladi, 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 oh Aladi. Alright guys, I wanna try to do this with the sound. Yeah, let's go for it. I know I haven't done any tutorial in a very long time, but if you watched until this end, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you can be notified every time I drop another dance tutorial. Anyways, peace.